How to fix Valorant VAN 1067 connection error. Open up your computer's search bar, usually found in the bottom left corner. Type in CMD. From the menu, select Run as Administrator. If a window pops up asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type net start VGC and then press Enter. This command essentially restarts the Vanguard service, which helps with Valorant's anti-cheat system. Once you've entered the command, wait for it to finish its process. You'll see a message indicating that the service has started successfully. Now, try opening Valorant again to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes, this step alone can fix the problem. If you're still encountering the VAN 1067 error, don't worry, we've got another method to try. Close Valorant if it's open and go to your desktop. Find the Valorant shortcut icon. Right-click on the Valorant icon. From the menu that appears, choose Run as Administrator. Now, launch Valorant again and see if the error persists. Hopefully, by running Valorant as an administrator, the issue will be resolved. If you're still having trouble after trying these steps, you might need to reach out to Riot Games support for further assistance. And that's it for today's tutorial on fixing the Valorant VAN 1067 connection error. We hope these steps helped you get back into the game smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming!